You heard the sound of the sea? I'm getting closer for the buildings so that you can see. Thank you. It's okay, Christina. I bring power bank. No, after 15 minutes, I will be finished my life. I need to eat. I'm already hungry. Just I wanna show this